Hi, it's Julio with Remax, showing you our newest listing in the Moreno Valley Ranch Area. This beautiful single-story home offers 3 bedrooms and is in turnkey condition. It also offers a bonus room perfect for a game room or a man cave. It also offers a beautiful, low-maintenance backyard with artificial turf and a Luma wood patio. The Moreno Valley Ranch Homeowners Association offers a beautiful lake, pool, spa, tennis courts, gym, basketball courts, and a beautiful banquet hall. So why don't we take a look at this beautiful home? Well, there you have it. If you need any more information about this beautiful single-story home in the Moreno Valley Ranch area, you can call. Even if you're looking for information about any other homes in this area. And if you're looking to sell anytime soon, please call me and I'll give you information on how to sell your property for the maximum price.